I thought I'd update you with the latest. Sabrina painted the wheels and part of the back. She got the pink going on in the glove box and started testing the paint. It's the inside of the roof, which is going to get covered with a metal flake glitter. So I told her to wait for the rims because I'm going to change the tires. I didn't want to scratch up her new paint job, but she said she'll touch it up if I mess up. So you can see this one's flat. I have all new tires. Okay, so first off, I'm going to try to change the tires using this motorcycle tire changer. This is a Nomar. I've had issues before with smaller tires like ATV tires and things. So anyway, I'm going to try using this. Hopefully it'll work on something that's small, or I can make it work. So see what happens. All right, we got the tires blocked off. Before you jack it up, let's get that hubcap off and get these lug nuts off while the weight's on the wheel. Okay, so normally with a motorcycle tire, the rim will fit on here. You can adjust it. I have it all the way in, and these pieces here lock down this rim, but this is too small. So I'm not sure how this is going to work. All right, let's see if I could hold this down to break the bead. It's sliding off. All right, our bead is broken. Let's see if we can break this backside here. All right, let's see if we can do this. I'm using my motorcycle. Here. Okay, all I'm doing is working up a sweat. I can't, the tire is too wide. I can't get a good bite on it. And this tire is toast anyway. All right, I cleaned the rim off. Let's see if we can get this tire on. So I'm going to use some soap here. Okay, I need something that holds that rim down. I have this manual tire changer in the pump house. I've never used it, but it might be able to hold down that hub. Ten to 22 psi. All right, so I got the tire changed. It's looking good. That manual tire changer worked. It would have worked better if it was bolted to the ground. The tools I had to use the motorcycle tire tools to get that back on. The automotive kind of stuff just doesn't work for those small rims. So, success. I hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate you stopping by, and check back for more progress on the golf cart project. Thanks for watching.